How to safely send money from Wise account. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can safely send your money from Wise account. So without any further ado or without any delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to send money safely from Wise account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. So first, you just have to go to wise.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then when you've done that, you have to see this type of interface, right? Right at the home page, you can see this option called send money. So first we will select how much we want to send, from which currency to which country we want to send it to. And it will also show you some of the fees and should arrive in this much amount of time, and just click on the next send option right there. Now when you do that, you can just choose a connected bank account, whatever else it is that you want, and you can see any bank account or wire transfer, international wire transfer, debit card, credit card, whatever else it is. You'll just be able to select them and just click on the add recipient button. So select the recipient to whom you want to change. If it is to another Wise user, you can just select find on Wise itself, enter their Wise tag, email or phone number, or if it is other users, then you can just enter their bank account or whatever else, and you can follow the other instructions to be able to send money from Wise. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.